Hey friends of Candid Linguist! Welcome to the first episode of AI Survival Kit for Exams and Beyond. Ever wondered if your phone can actually learn your habits? That's the power of artificial intelligence, or AI. Today, AI is everywhere, from classrooms to workplaces. By understanding AI fundamentals, we can ace exams, participate in discussions, and prepare for the future of work. In this series, we'll unpack AI one step at a time. Today's episode focuses on what AI is, its history, types, and real-world applications. So, buckle up, and let's dive into the fascinating world of AI. Candid Linguist. Mastering languages. Our key to a world of possibilities. Familiarize with new terms. Most AI terms come from daily language, although they may have specific meanings in this field. However, there are still some unfamiliar words involved. Let's learn them now so that they will become more digestible when we discuss them in context later. The first term is algorithm, which refers to the procedure or steps a program will go through to reach an answer to a question. For example, in email services, certain algorithms are used to sort emails into primary, social, and promotions tabs. Please notice the pronunciation of the word. The stress is put on the first syllable, and thus the O in the second syllable is weakened to a schwa sound. So, it is pronounced as algorithm. In contrast, in the short form, algo, we pronounce the O as a long O sound, so it is pronounced as algo. The word family of algorithm is related to algebra and arithmetic. You see, all these three words are related to mathematics and calculation. The second term is job displacement, which refers to job loss due to technological advances in the AI context. The word displacement is formed by dis, meaning away, and placement. Together, it implies that jobs are pushed away or replaced from their original place. A similar usage is the concept of water displacement in physics. The third term is hallucination, which refers to AI programs generating answers not supported by facts. The literal meaning of hallucination is seeing illusion, that is, seeing things not really there. The verb form is hallucinate. When they cannot find a sound solution, sometimes AI programs will hallucinate an answer as if they can, and even make up fake sources to support the answer. The fourth and last term we are going to discuss is neural networks, which refers to computer models simulating the complex human brain and nervous system, or simply put, programs trying to think and learn like humans. We often pronounce E-U as a long U sound, so the word is pronounced as neural. Neural comes from the word family of nerve. Another useful word in the science field is neuroscience, the study of the brain and nervous system. With these four new friends in mind, let's delve into the basics of the AI world. What is AI? Imagine a machine that can learn and improve on its own, like a student who gets better at solving problems with practice. That's the basic idea behind AI. It's the intelligence demonstrated by machines, as opposed to the natural intelligence of humans and animals. AI has a fascinating history, with the term first coined in 1956 by John McCarthy at a conference at Dartmouth College. Some notable milestones include the development of expert systems in the 1970s, and the rise of machine learning in the 1990s. But what really have made AI a household name were the chess-playing program AlphaGo beating the top human grandmaster in 2016, and ChatGPT's lightning-fast record of reaching 1 million users in 5 days after release in 2022. Misconceptions about AI. It's important to clear up some misconceptions about AI. Don't worry, Hollywood robots taking over the world are pure fiction. Most AI today is narrow AI, meaning it's good at one specific task, like facial recognition or recommending movies. We're nowhere near general AI, which would be a machine that can think and act like a human in any situation. Different types of AI. Now, let's look at the different types of AI. Narrow AI versus general AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to perform a specific task, such as playing chess or recognizing speech. General AI, or strong AI, refers to a machine that can perform any intellectual task that a human can. Machine learning, ML, and deep learning, DL. Machine learning is a subset of AI that involves training algorithms to learn patterns from data, without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers to learn from vast amounts of data. Deep learning is behind those amazing self-driving cars. Supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning involves training an algorithm with labeled data, where the desired output is known, for instance, showing pictures of cats and dogs labeled accordingly for the machine to learn the difference. Unsupervised learning involves finding hidden patterns in unlabeled data, for instance, feeding the machine a bunch of unlabeled weather data and the program being able to report relationship between key measures, say humidity and rainfall. Reinforcement learning involves an agent learning through trial and error, receiving rewards or punishments for its actions, like what we do in training a pet. Real-world examples. So, where do we see AI in action today? The answer is everywhere. Facial recognition, used for unlocking your phone or security purposes. Natural language processing, NLP. This allows machines to understand and respond to human language. Power features like voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, and chatbots like ChatGPT. Social media. The newsfeed you see is curated by AI algorithms that personalize your experience based on your interests. Entertainment. AI is used in video games to create realistic characters and in movie special effects. Healthcare. AI can analyze medical scans, assist in surgeries, and even develop personalized treatment plans. Benefits and challenges. AI has incredible potential to improve our lives. Enhancing efficiency. As AI automates most repetitive tasks, companies can save a huge amount of time and cost. Reducing errors. When programmed properly, AI makes decisions quickly and precisely, bringing mistakes to a minimum. Fostering inventions. Because of AI's immense capacity to process data and run simulations, the speed of generating new ideas from existing datasets is unprecedented. Saving lives. AI robots can perform perilous tasks on behalf of humans, for example, defusing bombs or exploring deep oceans. At the same time, AI is playing a bigger and bigger role in the field of healthcare, from medicine discovery and clinical testing to diagnosis and treatment. However, there are also challenges to consider. Job displacement. As AI automates tasks, some jobs might be replaced. But new opportunities will arise, requiring different skill sets though. Bias. If the data used to train AI systems is biased, the results can be biased too. For example, it was found that facial recognition software showed bias against certain demographics. We need to ensure fairness and ethical development of AI. Privacy concerns. As AI collects and analyzes data, there are concerns about privacy and security. Hallucination. AI models may generate made-up facts or fictional stories and present these as facts, which is misleading or even fatal when the stakes are high. Deepfakes. A deepfake refers to a synthesized video or image by imposing a person's photos or voices onto an existing medium, making it appear as if the person has done or said something they have never done or said. For example, there is a viral video showing billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk promoting a financial venture, but in fact, he has never done this. Deepfakes may cause damage to a person's reputation and also may become a tool by scammers. We'll delve deeper into these issues in our coming episodes. Revision: Key terms. AI, artificial intelligence, machines that can simulate human intelligence. Narrow AI versus general AI. Narrow AI excels at specific tasks, while general AI, hypothetical, would be as intelligent as a human. Machine learning (ML) AI learns from data like a student learning from examples. Deep learning, a type of ML using complex algorithms inspired by the human brain. AI applications, facial recognition, voice assistants enabled by natural language processing, NLP, social media, entertainment, healthcare. AI benefits: enhancing efficiency, reducing errors, fostering inventions and saving lives. AI challenges: job displacement, bias, privacy concerns, hallucination, and deep fakes. Practice: identify AI in your daily life. Now, let's test your newfound knowledge. Think about your daily routine. Can you identify any situations where AI might be at play? Here are some prompts to get you started. How do you unlock your phone with your face? Do you use a recommendation service for music or movies? Do you ever use a virtual assistant like Siri or Alexa? Suggested model answer: my phone uses facial recognition to unlock when I look at it. When I listen to music online, the platform recommends songs based on my listening history, which is likely powered by AI algorithms. And finally, I sometimes ask Alexa to play music or check the weather, which is a clear example of a voice assistant using AI. That's it for our first episode. We've explored the basics of AI, examples of real-world AI applications, and its benefits and challenges. The best way to learn new ideas is to apply and reflect on them. So, please share your thoughts below on how AI will change next in our world. Better still, share this video with your friends, discuss the related concepts, and ask each other questions to reinforce your learning. Get ready to dive deep into the workings of AI in our next episode. You'll learn more specific examples and cases that can make your writing and presentations more convincing, no matter if it's for an exam or in the workplace. So, stay tuned for more in-depth explorations in AI. If you like what we do, please subscribe to our channel, Candid Linguist, enable notifications, and like and share our videos. Your support means a lot to us.